The way he said it, and then my friend, he told his dad, Dad, I have to do a project on Uranus, and this is his dad. You don't. My anus is not a project.
Drake, wait, you say you're funny? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, she's not. She thinks she's funny.
I am so funny. This is not getting you brownie points. Can I tell you? I'm so funny.
At this table,
Right.
including my dad. It's my dad.
No, me.
No, not you.
She's
Him.
potty
Me.
language funny.
Okay.
I'm intelligent
Funniest.
funny.
Pretend you're invisible. Him.
Yeah, all my humor's poop humor.
Oh, that's me.
This is how they set the lawn on fire that day.
What?
I'm just saying.
Whoa.
Dude, that's a good one.
Here, Eric, oh, sparklers, I love them.
What do you have there, Olivia?
A firefly.
Oh, a little glowworm. Look at that.
You want to have it upside down.
No.
Woo! Happy 4th of July!
Even though I want one.
Watch out, watch out. How does it do this, Dan? How does it do this?
Happy 5th of July!
That scared me.
Alex, go ahead and light these, please. Step back, everybody.
Tell me when to put them in the air. Can I put them in the air now?
Just do it totally weird.
You have to set the tip on fire. Now?
Yes.
3, 2, 3, 4. Getting